Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to burn stomach fat fast. To begin, understand that targeted fat loss isn't possible. Overall fat reduction is key. Start by creating a consistent calorie deficit through your diet. Combine this with regular cardiovascular exercise, aiming for at least 30 minutes most days. Also, include strength training 2 to 3 times per week to build muscle, which boosts your metabolism. For effective fat loss, prioritize a diet rich in lean protein. This helps you feel full longer and supports muscle maintenance. Significantly reduce your intake of refined carbohydrates like white bread and eliminate sugary beverages, which contribute empty calories. Instead, focus on increasing fiber from fresh vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. These choices improve digestion and help regulate blood sugar levels. Beyond diet, incorporate high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, into your routine for efficient calorie burning and improved metabolism. Lifestyle factors are also crucial. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night, as poor sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and fat storage. Additionally, actively manage stress through practices like meditation or yoga to prevent cortisol-induced fat gain. Remember, consistency is the most vital component for long-term success in burning stomach fat. Stick to your healthy eating and exercise plan, even on challenging days. Hydration is also essential. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your metabolism and overall health. For those looking to simplify their healthy eating, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.